Alright, I'm out here with the Walksnail VRX again, and if you watch my last video, I tried to do a test where I normally, with my analog systems, I can shoot through the house in the back rear corner and be able to get video, at least enough video to where I could see it. As soon as I put the Walksnail back there, it gave me issues and caused a lot of latency and almost made me crash. So in the comments, some people suggested that I go ahead and set it to 1200. I had to unlock it. Unlocking it lets you set it to 1000 milliwatts or 1200 milliwatts as opposed to 700 that I had. And I went ahead and changed that, and we'll see what that does. Like I said in the comments, the funny thing is when I'm using analog, I can have my analog set to 400 watts and shoot through the house and get back there no problems, but whenever I'm using a digital system, it doesn't like it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try with the suggested settings and see what happens. Looks like I forgot to charge my other battery, so I'll use my lithium ion and not push it. So I'm set for 1200 milliwatts, frame rate is standard, resolution 1080, bit rate standard, and we'll try that first. See if that VCC overheating goes away. Go there, 103, 99, it's going down. Going looping around here and test out back here. Okay, bring it down a little. Oh, much better, much better. Thanks, guys. No problems back here on 1200 milliwatts. Very nice. Make another pass. And no breakups at all, actually. Go back around. Okay. Still 25 megabits. Let's see if I can get back here. Might be pushing it. No problems even back here. Wow, and I'm facing away. I'm facing down towards the house, or down towards the street, shooting through the house, and I was able to get back through the trees. Very impressed at this point. Didn't think I was going to like digital, but I'm liking it now. Go ahead and bring it around here. Still sitting at 25 megabits. Let's go ahead and change some stuff up. Try to land gently down here, away from the dogs. I want to land on the cement. Oh, downstairs. Go get it. Now, for some reason, my 8 channels went away, and I'm just sitting here looking at 3 channels like before. So I'm gonna choose channel 3, seem to be the best, and we'll try to take off. So I'm on a higher bit rate. It's up to 50. Yeah, I got low voltage, but I got a lithium ion in it. No problems back here with the higher bit rate selected. Try this again back through here. No breakups. It did have a little bit of breakups, but I didn't have any latency, which is good, or latency that would cause me to not be able to fly it. Go down here again. I tried changing it to let's go this way. I'm trying to pay attention, not hit a tree. And this isn't just about me flying around, it's to test the penetration. So let's go back over here where I was before, having all those issues yesterday, and see if there's any kind of breakups back here. I'm sitting around, it got dropped down to 20. Yesterday it dropped down to 0. Just bring it right back around one more time, and we'll be done. It's a good thing about using these lithium ions is you can fly for a while. I'm sitting at 13.3, and I can ride this until I'm well under 12. Oh, there we go again. Gotta pay attention. Still kicking. .1 volts. .9. I'll just ride it out. It's a nice day out. I could have adjusted my low battery warning, but I switch out packs a lot, so I didn't want to do that. I just keep an eye on it down on the bottom left. That's where it shows my battery on these goggles. Take it back here one more time. So with the analog system, when I go back over here, it's a little harder to see. So I wouldn't try getting around these trees over here. With this one, it's a lot clearer picture. So I was able to see more of the branches when I'm riding back through there. 12.4. We'll just loop it around one more time. .3. 12.1. I'll bring it back when I get to around 12. And I'll check to see if that battery's warm. Alright, that's it for this video. As you can see, by unlocking the power out for the VTX, I was able to change it to 1,000 and 1,200 milliwatts. And I was able to get through the spots that I couldn't get to yesterday. So, changed my mind. I'm kind of liking the Walksnail right now. So, we'll just do some more testing to see how it goes. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.